For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano malaman kung meron kayong violation kay Meta. Kung page yan, pupunta ka sa iyong page. Then, hanapin mo yung help and support. Then, hanapin mo yung support inbox. Then, click mo yung your alerts. Ayan, no reports. No violations. Ito naman yung second option para makita mo na may violation ka. Go to your professional dashboard. Then, hanapin mo yung page recommendation. Ayan. Then, page status. And good news, no violation to show.